Blessed Wednesday mga ka-faith. Stuck ka ba sa decision ngayon? Yung parang hindi mo alam kung saan ka pupunta. Career ba ito? Relationship ba ito? O direction sa life? Alam mo, minsan gusto natin ng instant sagot. Pero si Lord, may simple pero powerful na instruction. Ask Him. Hindi mo kailangang manghula. Hindi mo kailangang magpanik. Kasi sabi ni Lord, kung kulang ka sa wisdom, humingi ka lang sa Kanya. Sabi sa James chapter 1 verse 5, if any of you lacks wisdom, let him ask of God, who gives to all liberally and without reproach, and it will be given to him. Ang ganda ng promise, di ba? Hindi sinasabing maybe he will give, pero it will be given. Ibig sabihin, sigurado basta humingi ka ng may pananampalataya. And today, pag-usapan natin kung paano tayo pwedeng humingi ng wisdom kay Lord sa simpleng paraan. Tandaan mo yung acronym na ASK. Ask, seek, and know. Una, ask. Humbly request God's guidance. Ang unang hakbang para makakuha ng wisdom, humingi ka. Pero hindi lang basta, Lord, bahala ka na, kundi with humility and faith. Sabi sa Matthew chapter 7 verse 7, ask and it will be given to you. So God is not annoyed when you ask. He's delighted when you depend on Him. Kasi minsan, pride ang umahad lang. Akala natin, kaya natin magdesisyon mag-isa. Pero when you finally ask God, that's when clarity begins. Parang bata na naliligaw sa boat. Hindi niya alam saan pupunta, pero nung tinanong niya ang guard, natulungan siya agad. Ganon din tayo. When we ask the right source, God shows the way. So ngayon linggo, bago ka gumawa ng desisyon, sabihin mo muna, Lord, give me wisdom. Lead me to your will. Start your day by asking God before you ask anyone else. Next, seek. Search scripture and godly counsel. After asking, wag lang tayong maghintay na parang magic. Seek God's answer sa word niya. Ang wisdom ni Lord madalas nandoon na sa Bible. Kailangan lang nating hanapin. Sabi sa Proverbs chapter 2 verse 4 to 6, if you seek her as a silver, then you will understand the fear of the Lord and find the knowledge of God. Wisdom doesn't come by accident. It comes by seeking. Kaya kung gusto mong marinig si Lord, buksan mo ang Bible mo. Hindi lang cellphone mo kasi doon siya na madalas nagsasalita. Parang nagdadrive ka sa foggy road. Hindi mo nakikita lahat pero may GPS ka. Step by step, pinapakita niya ang next turn. And that's how God's wisdom works. One direction at a time. Seek wise counsel. Tanungin mo rin ang mga mature Christians, pastors or elders or mentors. Remember, seeking is advice, hindi passive. So it should be active, no? Hindi to passive, but it is active. Huwag lang, Lord, speak, tapos wala kang ginagawa. And lastly, know, recognize God's direction and confirm it through His Word. When you ask and seek, God begins to reveal. Pero ang tanong, marunong ka bang makinig at mag-confirm sa kanyang salita? Sabi sa John 10 verse 27, my sheep hear my voice, and I know them, and they follow me. Wisdom is not asking or just knowing. It's about recognizing and obeying. I repeat, wisdom is not just about knowing. It's about recognizing and obeying. Kasi minsan narinig mo na si Lord, pero hindi mo pa rin sinusunod. Kapag alam mo na ang direksyon niya, trust His timing and follow His leading. Parang GPS ulit. Minsan may delay sa signal, pero hindi ibig sabihin lost ka. You just have to stay on the road. God's wisdom is like that, sure, even when it's slow. If God already showed you what to do, do it. If He said, wait, trust Him. Know His voice through daily devotion prayer. Now imagine driving in a thick fog. Hindi mo makita ang malayo. Pero habang sumusunod ka sa ilaw ng kotse mo, step by step, nakakarating ka. Ganon din si Lord. Hindi niya binibigay lahat ng sagot agad. Pero binibigyan niya tayo ng enough light for the next step. And that's wisdom. So ngayong linggo, piliin mo lang isang desisyon na gusto mong ipag-pray. Apply mo ang ask. Ask God, seek His Word, and know His direction. Gawin mo ito araw-araw at makikita mo unti-unti kang ginagabayan ng Diyos sa tamang landas. And let me conclude. Mga ka-faith, remember this. Wisdom begins when you stop relying on your own understanding and start depending on God. Ngayong gabi o ngayong araw, challenge kita. Comment your ask moment below. Isulat mo yung desisyon na gusto mong ipag-pray this week. And let's believe together that God will give you wisdom. At ang memory verse natin, napakadali. Proverbs chapter 3 verse 5 to 6. Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways acknowledge Him and He shall direct your path. So mga kapit, huwag kalimutan. Kapag hindi mo alam ang gagawin, ask. Ask God, seek His Word, and know His will. Kasi si Lord hindi maramot sa wisdom. He gives generously and gladly. Kung na-bless ka sa araw na ito, don't forget to like, follow, and share. And this is Pastor Francis reminding you, when you don't know what to do, ask God for wisdom. God bless. Shalom.